Alright, today I'm going to be showing you a quick video on how to create an MLA formatted template for Microsoft Word. So every time you need to write a paper that it is in MLA format, you can do that the first time, every time without having to reformat the entire paper every time. Now I've got everything here already set up, but I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. So let's see here, let's go to File. And new, blank document. Alright, so this is how you're going to start out. Calibri is the font, size 11. First thing we need to do is change that to Times New Roman or Arial. I prefer Times New Roman. And size 12. We're also going to change the line spacing to 2. That's right there. And we're also going to go ahead and immediately remove the space after the paragraph. By default, there's a space just for ease of reading, but MLA states that there should be no extra space after a paragraph. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do for every paper is have your name block up in the top left. So right where we're at right now, we're going to go ahead and put in first name, last name, or you can add in a middle initial. That's my preferred method. Next line is going to be the name of your professor. So for me, we're going to say Dr. Brown. Next line is going to be the class. And some professors are going to have you add your section number as well so they know specifically what class you're in. So that's mine. And in the next line, instead of just typing out the date every single time, you can have, given that we are building a template rather, to update every time, what we're going to do is instead insert date and time that's going to update automatically every time you open up this template. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And this right here is the MLA format. Easiest way to remember, it's the international date style of smallest to medium to largest in units of time. There we are. Now you can see as the way that highlights, it is in fact a template. Alright, next line. And we're going to come back over here to home and we're going to center. This is going to be the title of your paper. Alright, and we're going to go next line one more time. And we're going to go back to justified to the left. Now, one easy thing that you can do to save yourself a little bit of time, instead of hitting tab every time you start a new paragraph, you can click right up here on paragraph settings. And here we are to confirm spacing before and after paragraphs, 0, and double spacing is correct. Indentation, we're going to say first line of every subsequent paragraph. There we are. Now I'm just going to grab a paragraph out of my other one here so we can do that. Let's just grab a few sentences. There's a method to my madness. That's fine. Alright, so as we continue typing and typing and typing, it's going to keep right on going to the next paragraph. And as soon as you hit enter, it'll automatically indent. The upper right hand corner, you need to have your name and the pagination that also needs to automatically update. So in order to do that, you can either click insert and put in a header, or the easier way, double click up here. Now we're going to need to change this back to Times New Roman, size 12, and now we are going to insert a page number. Let's see here, and it should be plain number 3 on the far right. Oops. Last name. And now that's there. As we continue typing and typing and typing, there we are. We're automatically to page 2. And so that's going to automatically update every single time. I hope this helps. Don't forget to do your works cited. In order to do that, one of the fastest ways is if you hit, let's see here, Control Enter is going to, instead of having to hit return a gazillion times to get to the next page, just hit Control Enter or Control Return, whichever you want to call it, and that's automatically going to put you at the following page. There you can do your works cited, and so on and so forth. So there you are. That's all you need to do. Now, to save this as a template that works every single time, I need to get rid of all of this fun stuff. Everything's there. I want to use this as a template for my English class for the rest of the time. So I'm going to File, Save As. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and put it right there. That's fine. And I want to save this as a Word macro-enabled template. The macros are going to be the page numbers and the date specifically. If you use it just a regular Word template, those things are not going to work. Macro-enabled template, and I've already made one, MLA format template. So name it whatever you like, and that's all you've got to do. Hit save, and you're finished. Now, to show you the one that I've already got, I'm going to open up a new document, and mine has shown up here because I've used it so many times, but no matter what, it's going to show up under personal templates. This is my old one that I made a small mistake on. I forgot to put my professor's name in there, but I'll have to fix that. But there you go. You're all set.